What's up, guys? I had fun building that last kit from scratch. I decided to buy another one. This time I went with the Axial SMT10. It's more monster truck style. I don't have any monster trucks yet, so I'll go and give that a try. Doing the full kit here. I'm gonna build it regular, and then I'm gonna add some. I heard you need to upgrade certain things like the gears when you go higher power. So I'll be ordering those and doing that, and change a couple little things. And then it doesn't come with tires, so I'll be going to the store tomorrow to go scope out some big beefy tires for it. And the body, I got the Diesel Brothers style Brodozer or whatever it was body kit, or body, left-hand body for it. I'm trying to do some sort of cool body with that, and that's also from Jay's Concepts. So let's open this bad boy up and check it out. So it's definitely a bigger box than the regular crawler kit I got from the Element Enduro kit. So you can kind of see the AR60 axles and suspension, how everything's set up. You can see here it comes with wheels but no tires. So you got to pick out your tires. It's 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive. I got it down at Pacific Coast Hobbies, which is a little ways away from me, but it's a real nice store. I really like it. So I've been trying to buy as much stuff there I can during all this craziness. So there you can kind of see the full side thing of it. And of course everything's got seals on it. So let's break these seals here and get into this bad boy. And like normal, a whole bunch of bags. Oh, it even comes with a driver. That's pretty cool. There you go. Now you can definitely see better now. So it comes with a little driver in there. It's pretty cool. I didn't know that. So I have to make sure to leave the windows open. And so this is all the different bags. So it's a big bag with a bunch of smaller bags inside of it. This one comes with all the cool little motor pieces and whatnot. I know a lot of people switch to a different style for that. We'll see what I do later. I'm just going to build it as is for now and then slowly change it. Oh, looks like the driver's head, different pieces. Yeah, a lot of pieces in here. Oh, looks like it comes with some little markers. 3D printed a couple of those, a little bit bigger, just for testing things out. A little sticker kit. And shocks, oil, all the gearing's in there, and silver wheels, or gray wheels I guess. I'm not sure how I feel about gray wheels. I'll probably be switching the color of the wheels when I get tired, because I think you can also get a little bit wider. I want this bad boy to be beefy, because I have a couple other kits and each one's getting bigger and bigger, so nice to have some big cool fat tires like the actual true monster trucks. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of putting this whole thing together. You can check it out at the end, and then of course later on we'll be doing a little thrashing.